Next thing we're going to be discussing is utility knives. Utility knives are used in many ways, shapes, and forms along the job's construction site. One of the jobs is for cutting boxes. We use them for opening up packaging. We also use them to sharpen our knives and so on and so forth. As we come along into purchasing a utility knife, they'll come in a package like this with the tabs sticking out. The utility knives do not have the blades in them when you first buy them. Show you how to assemble one is we take our Phillips screwdriver and we put it into the knife and we start to turn to the left. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once we remove the screw, take the screw out, we lift the cover off. Inside we'll find the screws, extra blades, and the part where the new blade goes. The new blade sits inside of a little magnetic type metal holder, which you'll turn around and you set back into your knife. You take your old piece, you put it on the top. Everything should slide in together. Nice, like that. And then take your screwdriver, tighten it back up. Once you're finished, place down, and then you properly check to make sure that the knife opens and closes without getting hung up.